Hey folks, welcome to the Kubernetes SIG Docs meeting. Today is February 18th, 2026. I'm your host today. My name is Ray Alhano. A few things before we start on this meeting abides by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which boils down to be kind to each other. This meeting is also being recorded and will shortly be uploaded to YouTube. So if you don't want to share your video share, please turn it off. So want to welcome, as we kick off the SIGDocs meeting, we like to welcome new contributors. So Roosh has already chimed in on the Zoom chat that Roosh is a new contributor, but I also want to take some time to welcome any new contributors that want to come off mute and introduce themselves. So let's start off with anyone who wants to introduce themselves.
Hi everybody, I'm Yashasvi. I go by my nickname Yashi mostly. I have been contributing in the SIG Contribix comms for quite some time now. And yeah, I look forward to get started contributing in SIG Docs as well.
Welcome. All right. Anyone else would like to introduce themselves? All right. Like I mentioned on call, I'm one of the SIG co-chairs. Natalie Blacko is also a fellow SIG co-chair as well, and Divya Mohan is our rounds up our co-chairs. And Kat Cosgrove, who's on the call, is a tech lead here. Xander is also tech lead. I don't know if Xander's on the call, but I'm gonna take a look. And nope. All right. And let's start off with a few updates, reminders. So with SIGDocs, we have PR Wranglers. PR Wranglers, we are approvers of PRs, of pull requests, and we take turns by week to review pull requests. So if you have any, if you have a PR open that you want it to be reviewed, please just ping the week's PR Wrangler. So this week's PR Wrangler is Deepesh Rawat, and we also have PR Wrangler Shadows, those are folks that want to kind of learn how to review pull requests. So it's asynchronous as well. Darshan Code 2005, and that's their GitHub handle, is this week's PR Wrangler. Next week's PR Wrangler is Xander, and with Jayesh shadowing. And three weeks from now, Sayak, who was the approver, who is a PR Wrangler, with codes by Unati shadowing. We also have issue wranglers as well, and issue wranglers are contributors who take a time for the week to triage issues, like determine if it's appropriate or determine if it's appropriate for a specific SIG, and also just help triage that issue. We have a list here. We have a link to both issue wranglers and PR wranglers on the agenda. This week's issue wrangler is Nate, who's on the call, and next week's issue wrangler is Tim. And if you want to have the calendar invites and have edit access to this agenda, all you need to do is just join the Google group, and the link is on the agenda there. Lastly, if you notice any code of conduct violations at like a GitHub comment or a Slack or an event or on meetings, you could reach out to the Kubernetes Code of Conduct Committee. You could do so anonymously via email at conduct@kubernetes.io. So we'd like to start off with the agenda and with the release updates for release 1.36, which is the current release cycle. Is anyone from the docs team able to give an update?
Hi, folks. I'm the release doc shadow in 1.36 release. I'm Anshuman Tripathi, and I'll be giving today's update. So for today's release notes update, the draft PR for 136 Alpha 1 has been reviewed and merged. Last week, weekly branching PR has also been reviewed and merged. We'll be creating the release notes PR for 136 Alpha 2, I think by February 18th. We've already started following up on KEPs and putting placeholder reminders for docs PRs. We'll be setting a second round of Slack reminders this week. I have been onboarded a little later. I think somebody had to drop out from the Shadows team, so I was onboarded. I think this week. So all the PRs are have been put into place by the release talks lead. Uh, and yeah, as I said, we'll be following up on placeholder PRs, and the deadline for that is Thursday, 26th of February. So we'll be continuing on that and sending continuous reminders just to put a tab on like the latest numbers on the PR status. There are 62 PRs with there are 62 PRs. There are 62 caps with no PRs. There are 15 draft PRs. There are two ready to preview PRs and two which are merged. And I think one has been labeled which doesn't need any docs. And I think that is it from the release talk side. Please let me know if you have any questions.
All right. Any comments or questions for release docs?
I have pinged the SIG release leads to approve that PR for you. I don't actually have permissions to do that,
Awesome.
but
Thank you.
should be soon.
All right. And I believe some from the comms team. Sophia, do you want to give an update on the comms from the release comms team?
Okay, hello folks. So this is Sophia from Comstin. So far, I'd say our status is currently green. We have X2 tracks caps. So currently we the comms lead, which is Chart, has assigned each of the comms shadows 13 of the caps to reach out. So we have our reach out message templates sent out to us. So we are in the process of reaching out to individual herps. So that will be all from the comms team.
All right. Thank you, Sophia. All right. Any comments or questions for the release comms team? And did you say how many caps were have opted in, or just a general reach out to caps in general?
So each of the comms shadow has 13
I got it.
assigned to them.
There. Okay. All right. Thank you, Sophia. All right, let's move on to issues and PRs. Looks like there is a pull request here from Destiny. Is Destiny on the line to introduce this pull request? I see. Do see Destiny online. Thank you.
Yeah, good day, folks. So, just to confirm, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, we could hear you.
Okay, thank you. So, the PR is it's part of reconstructing the workload management page, which is supposed to be conceptual, but it's more of a task-based page, right? So this PR is like part of the different PR that needs to be done to separate some of the content there. One of the content is deploying canary release or deployment. So that's what this PR is, more like a tutorial to work users on how to go about deploying magnetic deployments. Yeah.
Okay, I'll take a look at it. You said this is in the concepts page. Would this be more appropriate under task, or I haven't seen actually review the pull request yet.
Okay, so it's can you go to the description? So it's maybe the first page. The conversation, yeah. So it's part of if you know not that PR, if you open the next I think 4497. Yes, so there is a pending issue here on making the management page more conceptual, unlike how it is currently, that is tax based. So the plan was to, if you scroll down, I listed like some plans on how to improve it. So one of it is to create a tutorial page, which is this PRO that I just linked here. And there are also plans to also improve some other pages before doing the final page updates. So I've created some of the issues, and there are folks that have raised some PROs concerning some of them. So I'm just putting this out there so you can check it out. Yeah, I think that's it.
All right. Any comments or questions for Destiny? I will need some time to review this. The issue in there.
Yeah, no.
All right. Any other issues or PRs or any questions for Destiny regarding this pull request? Right. So there are no other issues in PRs or no other questions or discussion topics. Would anyone like to add a discussion topic or bring up a issue, pull requests, or discussion points?
Yeah, I think I mean, uh, I'm more of a discussion though. For I don't know if Tim is on the call. So he mentioned like if there will be anybody available on the SIG Docs team that will be willing to do a pairing to upgrade the Doxy to 0.7. And I think I'll just share the link on this call. So I mean, the plan is to have a pairing on weekend, so they like a when to meet a link for where folks can indicate their availability. So I'm just looking out there for anybody that have interest to I mean, indicate their availability and see how we can all work towards the upgrade.
And now we have several pull request related issues to the Doxy upgrade. And put the Slack.
Sorry, Ray, we both just added it at the same time.
Yeah, no worries. All right. I'll have to take a look at the Slack thread before I could reply. Thank you for bringing that up. All right, any comments or questions on the Doxy upgrade? I know there's several requirements before we actually have to the next one. I think it's .7. There are some changes we have to do to the site that needs extra effort. So I'll have to take a look to see what the Slack thread entails. Any questions for Destiny? And there is a PR from Paulo. Oops, on this pull request and put it. And Paulo is requesting a review on this pull request. So I could take a look at that as well. This will also take some time, so I'll have to do it a little offline or off after the meeting. All right. Thank you, Paulo. Any other issues or PRs that folks want to be reviewed? All right. Any other topics that people want to bring up? All right. Well, have a good rest of your day. I'm going to stop the recording here. Thank you very much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube,